Okay, here it is. We've got a little setup here. We could always add more bunkers. I could even close in the fence there. We could go diagonally to get a little more room, but I think we'll just try it here first and see how that goes. Let's go grab the guns and boom. You can only refill once, and then you have to move, but you can come back to refill. So what that means is you basically, that keeps us from just sitting in one spot. All right, we'll keep going. Oh, double whammy. I got you in the stomach, you got me in the head. On your marks. Get set. Go. Whoa, that was close. Gotcha. We can keep going. Oh, that was a nice headshot. That was so cool. With the disc, it went, you. Oh, that is tiring. Look at all these bullets. All right, you two guys. Oh, I'm almost out. Good game.